Hi, welcome to my channel. It's another hair day, and I'd like to show you how I repair my go-to protective style, which are some loose twists, and go from this, which you're seeing in the screen, to this beautiful juicy twist right here. So let's get into it. So to start off, I start with the back of my hair because it's the hardest to reach. So that's where we're going to do this from. I usually just start on freshly washed and conditioned hair. Use your shampoo, conditioner. I did deep condition in the state that it's in, and now the only and I also did a leave-in. So I applied some leave-in to my hair, and this is the last part of which I'm applying the oil, which will make it 100% better. Like the oil acts as a sealant, so it will seal in all that moisture into my hair. Okay, so I usually start with a three-strand twist and then connect the two smallest strands and twist it down. I'm going to do this for the my whole head of hair, and we'll just see how it progresses. However, in the meantime, if you've stayed here this long, kindly consider subscribing. Okay, consider subscribing down below. Leave a like, leave a comment if this is your type of content. I'll be doing much more with my channel, so hold on just a little bit. Okay, so for this video I also wanted to um just tell you guys how I'm going to be with my hair for the next couple of months. I'm on a hair journey, and of course, my hair journey requires a protective style, and this is my go to protective style. Whatever happens, I'll always do loose twists. So, I my hair has been at this length for the longest, like for almost 2 years now. We're at this phase at my shoulders where we're not growing past it, and I believe this is that phase called the plateau phase, where your hair just hits this length, it just doesn't want to go past, and I'm here to break that. So, I'm going to talk about a few things that I'm going to do, just to try have some length, some growth. So, the first thing I did, which was about 2 weeks ago, was to trim my ends. So, my ends are pretty good right now. If not, then I'll keep trimming as the months go by. Just go in there, don't be afraid of the scissors, get off those split ends and knots, single strand knots. My hair is 4C, so single strand knots hit big time. And I think that's also something that, you know, contributed to my hair not growing. The knots I hadn't trimmed in the 2 years, basically. So to get past this plateau length, first of all, I'm just going to go back to the basics. The basic stuff that I started my natural hair journey with, which is a shampoo, a deep conditioner, a leave-in, and an oil. You can throw in a cheap, simple rinse off conditioner if you're going to do maybe co-washing. And co-washing is just washing without shampoo. Okay, I don't think it's washing anymore without shampoo, but you apply a rinse off conditioner in place of the shampoo, or there are companies that have co-washes. Yeah, so that's basically it. I'm going back to the basics, so I'll get myself a line of shampoo, deep conditioner, leave-in, and my go-to oil, which is olive oil. Other than that, I'll be doing the protective styles. Okay, so this is my go-to protective style, and since I'm going back to the basics, then this is where I start with my twist and just see how my hair reacts with it, and if it's going to, we just try this for a month or two and see if my hair will be healthier by the end of those 2 months or not. So this protective style also, I'll be, keep an eye on it. Just don't I won't do the protective style and leave it there. Yeah, I'll be going in with some oil. I'll be washing if it feels dirty. I'll also be doing repairs here and there. But I'm going to develop a hair routine. Okay, so this hair routine will also help me with the hair, with my journey. Cause I don't have a routine at the moment. I just do my hair whenever it feels dirty or it looks terrible. Then I'll just go in and do my hair. But since I'm going to be more hands on with my hair, I'll need a regimen and a routine. So my regimen will be probably I'll follow the 2 weeks routine where I wash my hair every 2 weeks and maybe co-wash every week. And then when I wash my hair with the shampoo is when I do the repair. So when I wash is when I'll be redoing my hair. So I'll be redoing my hair every 2 weeks. I hope that's not too much, you know, just because I want to retain some length and I shouldn't have my hair a lot, you know, touching stuff. I shouldn't be touching it a lot either, other than when I'm conditioning or oiling it. So that's basically it. I'll go back to those basic routines. Another thing I'll be doing, another thing I'll be doing is trying the DIYs, the DIY conditioners. I used to do those a lot. I used to do henna conditioning, avocado, hot oil treatment. I stopped all that and my hair wasn't very happy. You see, I've been at this length for 2 years, two or three, two, since 2021. That's a long time to be at the same length. I'm so done with this. If I could cut off all my hair and start all over again so that it would go past my shoulders, I would. But it also takes time to grow to grow this length of hair. So no, I'll just do what I can to push it to the next level, and that's it. So more hands-on with my hair. I'll be doing protective styling. I get a routine, a moisture routine, and a protein routine. Basically, because your hair needs both moisture and protein to thrive. And I've only been doing moisture treatments, so the protein treatments need to come in too. That's a whole lot of stuff. So if you're here tuning in again, kindly subscribe. Join me in my hair journey from shoulder length, this plateau face that I'm trying to run away from, to somewhere, even breast. I'll be thankful for breast strap length. I know everyone's goal is probably waist. Hey, but that's quite okay, it's not unrealistic, but wow. If I get my hair to my waist, that would be whew, a celebration. But I'm just hoping for even a breast strap length. So at this point, I think I'm at the last. I'm doing the last piece of hair, and at the front there, and that's it. I'm done with my hair. Just doing my twist from a clumpy mess to juicy bouncy twist. This is it. Thank you for tuning in. I really enjoyed doing my hair with this session and talking to you guys. And again, if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so. I appreciate you being with me, joining me throughout my lengthy video and just me talking about hair stuff. And yeah, so I'm gonna try to go past the plateau phase, and I'll really appreciate if you join me in my journey. Thank you very much, and have yourself a wonderful day ahead. So until I see you next time, bye.